How to change your car's color in Asphalt 8. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. You can customize the appearance of your car in Asphalt 8 by changing its paint color. So first of all, launch open the Asphalt 8 game on your device. Now from the main menu, go to your garage from the bottom of the screen. Inside the garage, go ahead and select your car. After selecting the car you want, go ahead and tap on the coloring option at the bottom left and choose the color palette from the left hand side of the screen. After you do that, you can now get back and you'll be able to change the color of your car. So that's how you do it. That's how you customize your vehicle by selecting a new paint color in Asphalt 8. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.